Tired of complicated e-commerce platforms? Let's build your own easy-to-use online store using Adobe Dreamweaver. First, fire up Dreamweaver and click Create New. You'll have an array of website templates at your fingertips. Use that to design the website that best appeals to your customers. Choose a template or start with a blank canvas. Next, focus on the Insert tab. You'll find components for all the store essentials you could need. Here is where we'll insert our shopping cart features and payment gateway integrations. Drag and drop buttons for add to cart, item displays, a dynamic shopping cart indicator, and all the other storefront features that help your customer feel secure in making a purchase. Make sure your product descriptions are detailed and clear. Arrange the elements on the page to create a great shopping experience and keep your store looking clean. Once you have the website layout ready, click the Preview in Browser button at the top. Congratulations, you've built your online store. Be sure to test all the functionality, like payment gateways. Remember to regularly update product info and adjust your design to match any future demands.